So in this video, you'll learn how to install Microsoft Outlook on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to installing Microsoft Outlook is to choose where you're installing from, whether it's from the Galaxy Store or even from the Google Play Store. So once you've chosen where you're installing it from, you want to use the search function, and in the search bar you want to type in the words Microsoft Outlook and then search. You should see it listed here in the search results, so you want to tap on it to select it, and once it's been selected, just tap on install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your tablet. Once it's been installed, you can tap on open to launch it, or you can navigate back to the home screen, look for the app icon from there, and then simply tap on it to launch it. Once you've launched it, you can now go ahead and go through the process of setting up Outlook so that you can continue using it on your tablet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.